Wang.
Right, hello. I'm here with
Paige.
I'm here with my girlfriend today. We're going to be doing a Mugen spoiler on. Here's the EP2 in question. Cece looks good, girl. So Paige has painted Mugen spoiler. Let's get a little like round shot over here. Yeah, look at it. Look how dead this looks. This is like dead. Nah. Oh my god. Seat's all the way forward, man.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Bomber club.
You might want to move that off the gear stick so you can drive.
Of course, Sean.
Do you like my car sound strip? Put it on the window, bud.
Oh. Paige has done this. It's actually quite nice. I actually do like it. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like all these different cars in there. It's pretty cool. Isn't that right, Paige?
Yeah. I put the Civics on show. Got the EK9s out here.
There's the EK9. Where's the other one? Ah, there's one over
there.
Very nice. Mate, she a cutie though. Look at her. God damn, girl. God damn. Huh?
There you go.
Brakes.
Where's the brakes? Same place as it is in your car.
Anyway, what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and
Go and get the spoiler.
Get the spoiler and smack it on Paige's bum. That's not going to be in the video.
CC's bum, not mine.
Here we've got the Mugen spoiler that Paige has painted. This does look quite nice. It does look really good actually. Right, boom. So we have got the
Tools.
The tools.
Tools, not tools.
Nah, it's not tools.
Screws.
Melon.
These are the tools.
And we're gonna have to figure out where this goes on the actual car.
I reckon take the spoiler off first and then figure it out from there.
Perfect. Right, we'll do that right now.
Oh, I think I'll find it.
Yeah. So get that off there.
See, I don't dare push it too hard because they're not my tools, so I don't want to break them. There we go.
Like that. That's it, good girl.
Maybe they're not 10s. Actually, yeah, they are.
Now we've got 2 10s to take off because it's a stock spoiler, and the rest of the push pins. Come on, Babs, you can do it. You're a mechanic. You're a licensed mechanic.
I have. I'll be trying.
Did you lose it?
No, it fell in here.
How have you done that?
I don't know, it just fell off. Am I tightening that?
Probably.
Are you sure about that? Shit.
There you go.
Jesus Christ.
There we go.
Shit myself.
That's off. So, update. Paige just managed to lost a screw inside of in here. Brother.
Oh my god.
That's stinky. We've got these spoiler EP2, you know, the shit one off.
I can't tell what smells. I can't tell if it's the green shit in here or that stuff. Like, whatever it is, actually.
Probably it's you.
If anyone, it's you.
What do you mean? The little rubber grommet here that goes into here. And because Paige has lost a screw a nut in there, we have to try and get it out. I don't know how it's going to happen, but we'll get back to you as soon as that's out. Paige managed to use this little trim tool inside of there, good girl, and we managed to get it out. So that is the little thing that she lost. So what we'll do, this has been cleaned up, and we're going to still clean that up. There's still a bit more green, you know what.
I've got like 10 million microfiber cloths in the back of my car, so
perfect,
we're just going to use that.
Cool. Once that happens, we're going to go ahead and figure out. Oh, I'm not going to clean.
That actually stinks. I actually can't tell what smells.
See, the thing is, I can't even smell it.
Can you not?
No.
Oh my god, lucky. It actually reeks. It's that! Get that away from me.
What was that face again? Do that.
Get that away from me.
That's a bit thumbnail right there.
No, you're not using me as your thumbnail.
I'm using you as a thumbnail.
No, you're not.
It's your car.
Use my car as a thumbnail.
Oh shit, that's your spoiler. well, that's now broken.
That's alright, I don't need it anymore.
You key.
Well.
Right, so this is from Delta Styling. We haven't got these screws inside of them. Now there's 6 holes in there, and Paige has got the 6 of those in there. So we're going to put 1 in each of those. Once they're in, we'll put this on top of the car and then screw it bottom in on the other side. So let's go ahead and do that now. So here are all the studs in it. Now as you can see, right, because the paint build up, that's okay. But what they've done, what Delta Styling have done, is these have actually got Allen keys in them. So we need an Allen key. We get an Allen key. And then go ahead and just screw it in tighter, because you can see some of them will stick out a bit further than the others. The only issue is that we've got is Delta Styling does not provide us with an Allen key, which is completely fine because Allen keys are very, you know, common. So Paige, you're gonna go ahead and get one. and then we'll get this put on straight away. And the last one, go on Babs. We've just spent the last half an hour trying to do this thing. So we've managed to get one bolt in there, one in here, one in here, none in there because it doesn't line up, thank you Delta Styling. One in there, and one in there. Now the thing is with this one, we can probably try and tighten this up a bit more. If we close it, careful if we get knocked out. It's actually quite sturdy. Like it doesn't flex, which is good. It's all right. To be honest with you, it's actually pretty all right. It's a huge gap there though. But I mean, to be honest with you, does it really matter?
No.
Yeah,
as long as it's on the car.
Yeah. I mean, in the future, it could just be
Just might need
a new
to
boot.
settle in.
Yeah, exactly. Plus, we need to get this sorted as well.
Yeah.
Not quite sure how to do that. Probably a hinge job. But again, it's a work in progress, sweetheart.
It is.
Now, time for the blade, which is in the back car. Let's get that sorted.
That one could fit.
Cool, so basically with these, 2 on each side, that holds it in. I tell you what, that's looking cool. It actually transforms the car a lot, to be honest with you. I ain't gonna lie. Just getting the screws in now, which is going to be a bit for the issue.
Won't tighten.
Right, boom, so we've got this on. It's looking really good. Paige, are you happy with it?
Yeah.
I'm happy with it. Although, it's a bit of a bone to pick with Delta Styling. I mean, it could have been transit, it could have been the mould, it could have been anything. It could just be one of those things that it's just a one-off. But however, it's still quite a very nice kit. I will leave the link in the description to it. It was the EP2 one, wasn't it?
Yeah.
The EP2 one. So it should fit all EP2 boot lids. I mean, we've made it fit as much as possible. They sell the screw kit, right? Now we can see these are currently not. Basically, me and Paige, we ain't got the facilities for that big man, so we're gonna leave them like that for Paige's father, because he's probably got something that can actually knock round bolts and destroy the paint. So be warned with the screws. You might round these off. So if you're ordering it from Delta Styling, be warned again.
Be gentle with them.
Be gentle with them. Test fit it before you paint, just in case it does have any discrepancies on it. But although it just looks really nice. Now if I go all the way back here, that is really nice. Where are you, Paige? How'd you like it? How'd you like it?
Let's go.
Good girl.
What's it look like from the front?
Well, that's a good point. Let's go to the side. God, that looks so much better. That looks so good. Oh, Paige, sweetheart, this looks so good.
Just ignore the scuff on the bumper at the front.
Oh yeah, ignore that. Ignore that. Basically, Paige got vandalised. Lol. Apart from that, oh, that's so good. That's so good. Right, so that is the
new car.
It's a brand new car. I dare say it, unfortunately, but Paige is looking a lot better than my Civic. I look a bit clapped today. I'm not even going to lie. But that's it. There we go. Delta Styling. I don't know what to say about them, to be honest with you. Probably no. It's a good.
Okay, but you know.
Yeah, Delta Styling fitment okay, but I mean it's like that with all off-the-market things. It's not a proper Mugen, but then again, we're probably running the same issues with the Mugen as well.
We don't have the £800 to spend on a real one.
Right, in that case, we'll see you guys in another one. What? Oh, wow.